Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBit Solutions. So a quick little stock market update for you all. We actually caught most of this action during today's live trading session. I'm up $7,300 on the day. I left myself with 500 shares. Quick little disclosure, I trade with over $200,000. So I went from a 4,500 share position size to 500 shares. Why did I reduce my position size? Well, again, my job is not to just focus, right? Anyone can focus and obsess about making money. And trust me, that's what a lot of beginners begin to do, right? Or choose to do. My job is not only to focus on making money, but it's also taking risk management into consideration and knowing when enough is enough. I don't know about you guys, but I know that I've gone from a green trade to a red trade too many times that I don't want to experience that anymore, right? With that being said, I locked in profits. I reduced my position size down to 500 shares instead of 4,500 shares. It's all about risk management. It's all about position size. And anytime at overbought levels, it's effective to prepare for the worst. It's not that it has to happen, but if it does, you at least have an exit plan. With that being said, if this thing continues to rally, I can always get back in, and it's good to have that reminder. Also, I wanted to let you guys know, if you guys wanted to watch today's live trading session, again, I trade live every morning with the Learn Plan Profit Group. The first link in the description of this video will be today's live trading session. You can see where I started the day off. I think I was up $500 from the shares that I held overnight. And then once this thing really began to take off, you see my thought process, right? I mean, I can show you my trades, but these are trading recaps. You don't really learn much from just looking at how much money I made today. But what you do learn is when I'm actually trading, my thought process on why I'm averaging up, what I'm looking at, my thought process on locking in profits, and these questions that I answer in real time. So again, if you want to watch today's live trading session, it's literally just an unlisted video, and it's going to be the first link in the description if you want to get a taste of what the Learn Plan Profit Group gets to experience every single day. So why is the market going up? All that's happening right now is earnings are getting factored into the market. I do not want to be a Debbie Downer, right? I mean, obviously, I reaped the benefit of the market going up today. I ran with it. That's my job as a trader. Stay level-headed. I cannot stress this enough. If your intention is, you're a long-term investor, then don't worry about the intraday activities, right? But why is it that maybe you should take these levels into consideration? First off, if earnings continue to go well, then yes, we will most likely see stocks continue to rise and rise and rise. Great, right? But I don't mean to be a Debbie Downer. My job here on YouTube also is just to make you aware of what's to be announced. At 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, our favorite guy, Jerome Powell, is going to be having a discussion. This is when he has one of his speeches. And let me tell you, every time that he speaks, it does influence the market. With that being said, there are two, not one, but two speeches on Thursday. That's really the whole purpose of today's video. I wanted to remind you guys to stay level-headed as the market's in the green. I don't want you to get too confident. I think it's great that you're doing well, but again, it's knowing that things can take a drastic turn, especially on Thursday. Why are the stocks going up? I wanted you guys to know that earnings are getting factored in. If you guys do not know what that means, then I would be very, very careful. If you want to learn a little bit more on how to actually stay up to date with earnings, you can actually go on the Webull trading platform and actually go on any specific day. So like as of today, I can go on the 19th and see every stock that reports earnings today. I can double click and it will actually pull up a watch list of all the different stocks, and I can go down the list. Again, if you guys want to download the Webull trading platform, you will actually get, if I'm not mistaken, a total of 5 stocks just by signing up, and that's going to be that second link in the description. So that's really just it. I wanted to update you guys on all of this. I'm very excited to follow up with the overall market. I'm very grateful for how we were able to take advantage of TQQQ today. $7,300 in a day is not an average day for me. Yes, I've had bigger days. Yes, I've definitely had smaller days. I just need to know when enough is enough, and that's kind of the whole purpose of this video. So I hope that you guys learned something new. I hope that you guys appreciate this live market update. If you guys do, please make sure that you destroy that like button. Please consider subscribing. And again, if you guys want to watch today's live trading video, that's going to be the first link in the description. It's a question that we get all the time. It's like, what is like one of the main value pieces of joining my Learn Plan Profit team? And yes, you get lifetime access to the A to Z video lesson library. Yes, you get lifetime access to our private Discord chat. And yes, you get lifetime access to being able to watch me trade live every single day. So it's not just being able to see someone that they can make money, right? Anyone can show you a profit, but can someone trade in front of you in real time every morning at market open and share with you their successes and their failures, right? And take it as a lesson learned. And that's a simple question to ask yourself, right? Have you been missing out on a lot of the trades that we've been taking? Have you been missing out because market direction hasn't been super clear to you because you have no one really to follow in that sense? And yeah, this is something that we talk about every single day. So if you think that it would be of value for you, again, please make sure that you click that first link down below, watch today's live trading session, and when you're ready to join our team, in this video, there's going to be a $100 off coupon, and that's going to be the third link down below. That's one of the biggest sales that we offer for Learn, Plan, Profit 2.0. It includes everything. It's an all-inclusive one-time payment, lifetime access, lesson library. So hopefully you enjoyed today's live trading session. And if you do, and you decide to join our team, I'll see you tomorrow at Market Open for our live trading session so you don't have to miss out anymore. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.